Hello, good morning. I'm Marita Sariano, married and have two children, 6-year-old and 4 years old. And I'm now looking for a new employer because my employer will migrate to Canada. I work with them 2 years and 8 months. I take care, I will be since 4 months until up to now. And an eldest son is 10 years to 13-year-old.
Okay, in this family you do marketing on your own?
I do cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and sometimes marketing.
Sometimes. So, is it 2 or 3 times a week or?
Once a week only.
Oh, once a week.
Yes.
So the other time is the madam will do this.
My sir will go to market every Saturday.
But you know how to go to market?
Yes, I know.
You know how to do the marketing?
Yes,
Oh, okay. Do you know how to cook the soup? Chinese soup?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.